Okay, it's 23 November 2024. I'm here at Noel's place. Colony of bees I rescued out of the couch and into the nuke box. And they look very happy. There's lots of going on in here. They're moving in and out. Foragers coming back with nectar and pollen on their pollen sacs. Nice and healthy colony. Next week I will open them up and have a look inside, and then we will decide, because we must move them. It's gonna take a while, but every 2 or 3 days we will move them to their new place, their new home. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing and like, and any comment is welcome, good or bad. Thanks for watching. Bye.